Oftentimes, we may feel bad by the way and manner a lot of people treat us. We always may expect them to treat us nicely, but to our greatest amazement, it was the opposite. Their attitude makes you look stupid and unimportant. Sometimes you can get discouraged and aroused to a conclusion to give everyone back in his own coin, so they can experience the heat on the past cover when they treat you the same way. But considering the fact that there are a lot of people who believes in you and appreciate your word, makes you change your mind. The experience with variety of people can be horrible. You can try working your ass out to see that you help people and to see that you do good to them, but you can wonder why they wish to pay you back with a broken coin. The Bible says in Romans chapter 12 verse 17 to 21, recompense to no man evil for evil. Provide things that are honest. If it be possible, as much as light, and you live peaceable with all men. Dearly beloved, avenge not yourself, but rather give place unto wrath. For it is written, vengeance is mine, and I will repay, said the Lord. Therefore, if the enemy hunger, he say, feed him. If he thirst, give him to drink. For in doing so, you shall heap coals of fire on his head. You don't take it upon yourself to pay back. The best way to make your oppressor feel the same way you feel when they do evil to you is by doing good to them. Do not because of how painful it may be. You pay them evil for good. For the Bible says, see that none render evil for evil unto any man, but rather blessings. Why must we pay good for evil? Proverbs chapter 17 verse 30. Whosoever pay evil for good, evil shall not depart from him. How do you pay good for evil? Romans chapter 12 verse 20. Therefore, if thy enemy hunger, feed him. If he thirst, give him to drink. For by so doing, you will heap coals of fire on his head. When shall you pay good for evil? Galatians chapter 6 verse 9 to 10. And let us not be weary in well-doing, for in due season we shall reap if we faint not. As we have therefore opportunities, let us do good unto all men. Therefore, the best way to make men realize the foolishness is by paying them good for evil. Thanks you for watching. And I say to you, keep being real. Real and great people don't fake their life. Enjoy the joy of being yourself. And always embrace excellence, for the Bible says, whatever thing your hands are doing, do it well to the best of your ability. For there's no work, no planning, no wisdom, no knowledge in the grave where all of us are going to. And I say to you, love God, love people, celebrate people, and live a very simple life. Till we meet again, God bless you.